G'day, we're out here with the Adventuremate V3 and we're going to test the durability of the shovel. Alright, let's give it the beans. Go, fire pit ready. So we've dug a fire pit using the shovel. Now we're going to swap it over to the entrenching mode, which is great to build a moat around your tent if it's wet, or dig your truck out of the mud. So to swap it over, first we're going to take the handle off. Now just in case this gets too tight, the handle's been designed so that it fits on the bolt just like so, and you can open it super easy. Great, so we'll take this out. Swap this over. Pop this back in there. Lock it up. Now it's ready to entrench. Super strong, super durable. Adventuremate V3, axe test time. Nice. We're just going to do a saw test and just see how long it takes me to get through this big branch. There you go. Pretty clean. Nice. Now we're going to do a quick firewood test. This is probably the most common situation where people are going to be using this, just like splitting firewood around a campsite. So let's just quickly smash through this little bundle. Phew! Hell yeah. Oh. Yeah, last one. Chunk it boy.
So that's a whole bundle. As you can see, here's pretty much a couple of marks, but nothing serious. And we've actually reinforced, you can see we've really reinforced this cam lever, and even on the side here, so if you were to miss it, you're not gonna like snap the lever off or anything. Anyway, then you check it out. It opens, boom, still like good as new. Locks tight, and that thing slides down, it locks it in place. Adventure Mate version 3. Woo, nice.